Hiya Peeps, Jellybaby here. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a wintry, soft-ish. Sophie from the future here. I would disregard everything I say here because honestly it doesn't end up very soft, but I do like the outcome. And who doesn't love a soft look, let's be real. Also, for some unknown reason, I decided to put like 16 million necklaces on. Like, I don't know. I think it's just because I haven't worn my necklaces in so long that I've decided to go a bit overboard now. But hey, you're not here to see me rant about my damn necklaces. So, first, I'm going to do my base and I'll be right back. That fun moment when you're going to put your makeup on and one of your septum balls fall off. I hate trying to put these back in. It's so small and annoying. Send help. Right, we good. I found a replacement. We good. Base is done. For concealer today, I'm using Last of Perfection Bar Collection. Hey, it rhymes. And I bought this because a YouTuber called Sosa's Nails is always raving about this, and it actually is pretty good. And it's really cheap, so can't lose. And then for foundation, I'm using my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and I got that's in porcelain. Oh, it's a fair one. But I think this is still a bit too dark for me to be honest. But with this over the top, you can't really tell, I don't think. For my powder today, I'm just going to use my Stay Matte powder, of course, a big fluffy brush. I'm just going to dab that into the skin. The other thing I did was I put on these really cute earrings. I always put my dangly earrings after foundation because if I don't, I end up with foundation in my earrings. Look how cute they are. I love them so much. I want them in every colour. Moving on to eyeshadow primer, I think I'm going to use Focus and Fix by Makeup Revolution. I'm just going to rub that in with my fingers all the way up to the brow bone. Not that I ever put eyeshadow that high, but one day I might. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm feeling a bit grungy. So for some reason I have generally been using this palette like every time I've done my makeup basically, but I'm going to take the Sophie Does Nail palette. I'm just going to take this shade here, which is called Pancakes. Always makes me hungry. I'm just going to take this flat brush. Well, I'm going to take my, I think this came with the Naked palette. I can't remember which one I've got. I think it's Naked 3. Yeah. So this is the brush that I got with my Naked 3 palette. I'm just going to use this flat side. Shade Pancakes. I'm just going to put that all over just to keep, you know, just as a base. Such an itchy nose. Next I'm going to take this shade Iced Coffee and I'm just going to run that through my crease. And next I'm going to take this shade which is called Pug. I'm just going to use this brush from Makeup Revolution. It looks like this. Yeah. I'll run that through my crease. And I'm going to go back to Pancakes and just blend this bit out because I'm going to take this other brush, it's more of a domed, like this one was, yeah, I'm going to take this one and just blend it out. And then next I'm going to take Makeup Revolution palette. This is the 2017 collection palette. Probably can't get this anymore, but I'm sure you can find another colour. I'm just going to take this navy shade. It looks really, really dark, but this one here is super pigmented. Look at that. Damn. going to take this little Eco Tools blending brush just to blend it out a bit, because that is intense. I'm just going to take that navy blue again and just put it on the outer corner. I'm basically going back and forth between the colours till I get where I want it. Take this pink champagne colour. And I'm just going to take a flat brush, this is just some random eyeshadow brush. Spray it with some of this Revolution. The corner. And I'm just going to blend that out very slightly. Under the eyes, I'm just taking a tiny brush, and I'm going to take this colour Pug again, and I'm just going to go under the eyes. I'm going to take this little brush again, get some of that pink champagne colour. And put it in my ward, right in my inner corner. And last but not least, I'm just going to take this brush, which has already got some navy blue on it, and I'm just going to very lightly drag some of that blue down. So eyeshadow done. It looks a lot better in person. No matter what lighting I've got, what setup I've got, it just never pays off very well in the actual camera. What are you going to do? Next, I'm going to take this white eyeliner by MUA. I'm just going to put that in my waterline. Absolutely hate when you first buy pencils and they're all stabby. I'm just like, next is black eyeliner, and for that I'm using this matte black eyeliner by MUA again. This is actually really good, considering it was only like £3 I think for this. It's actually really good. The only thing is, it's going to take some used to. I'm not used to brushes like this. I usually use ones like this, if I can open it. Like that, where it's like a felt tip at the end. Alright, next I'm taking my big eyes. Yeah. And as always, the black end. You should probably just buy some tiny spoolies, but you know. I'm going to take this this Blush Dream palette by Makeup Revolution, if I can open it. And I'm going to take this pink shade here because, why not? My fingers are just covered in makeup now. Just the struggles, am I right? And I'm going to take this flat brush because honestly, my other highlighting brush is annoying me and I haven't got another highlighting brush, so I'm just going to use a flat face brush and hope for the best. Cheeks. Honestly, that's not too bad. I'm also going to do my nose. My cupid's bow. Oh my god. My eyeliner just decided to give up on me. The brand new one that I just used. Oh god. Is this just nothing? First my nose ring falls out. Now this. What next? Where were we? Blush. Use this one. This Avon one. And last but not least, I'm going to be using one of these Makeup Revolution matte liquid lipsticks because honestly, the first time I saw them I was like, oh my god, because they're only £6 and that's really good. Then good. You get a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, so But the shade I'm using is Grunge, which is like a pinky nude colour. I think I'm going to use the lip pencil first. That's the lip liner. And the lipstick on. The lipstick. It's such a nice colour. I've been trying to find a marshmallow pink, like the perfect marshmallow pink, for so long now, and I finally found it. The last thing I'm going to do is just stick some gems under my eyes because, you know, I've got to be extra, okay? We got to be extra. I'm going to take this Duo lash glue, that's what it's called. I'm just going to take this eyebrow thing to dot it on with. I'm just going to do stuck. So I was intended for more of a soft look. I think it's still pretty soft, but like obviously if you wanted a more soft look I would take out the navy, but you know, I never plan these videos, it just happens how it happens, whatever I'm feeling in the moment, so like I plan the colours, but that's about it. Hope you enjoyed anyway. Make sure to like and comment about your week, favourite makeup, your favourite eyeshadow shade. Let's just have a chat down there. And you know, while you're down there, feel free to subscribe and hit that little bell thing because, you know, that's a thing. So you hit that little bell thing and then you'll know when I upload. I'm hoping to try and upload 2 times a week. Let's see how that goes. That was my plan for the end of last year when I started my channel in September. Didn't really work out. Let's see if we can do it this year. This is the final look. I've really been digging wearing my hair in a side fringe again recently. But yeah, that is all. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you stick around for the next one. Have a good day, I suppose. Bye!